Hello everyone, welcome back to Polymuse. In this video, I'll show you how you can customize a 3D viewer inside our software. So let's get started. By default, the 3D viewer looks something like this. There is a transparent background. You can move this object 360 degree. In vertical, you can go about 0 to 180. There is an icon on the right corner, and you cannot zoom in on this furniture. We can change all this by going to this setting, and that will take us to this page where you can customize this viewer. On the left side we have the 3D model, and on the right side we have all the options for the customization. Let's start with the initial camera view. This is the view when the model loads for the first time. By default, that is going to be the view. Right now you can see the model is basically looking straight to us. Let's change this view and then click on use current view. So that updates the default or initial view of this furniture or this 3D viewer, right? And then let's go to the next option, that is the rotation limit. You saw earlier that we can move this furniture about like 180, right, in vertical, but maybe you don't want the users to see the bottom half of this furniture, so we can do that by changing this vertical angle limit. So let's start with 45 and it can go maximum 90. So now we can see it cannot go beyond that. We can even go a little bit lower, maybe 75. And now you can just move the furniture 20 degrees or whatever, right? Cool. Next we have auto rotation. So if turned on, it's gonna basically rotate this object in y-axis, so left to right or right to left, you can choose. I'm not going to turn auto rotate for this object, so I'm gonna keep it off. Next we have the zoom settings. By default there is no zoom, but if you click on that, it will allow users to zoom into your 3D model and maybe check the fabric and whatsoever. Next we have a very important features, dimensions. So if you want, you can allow users to like see the dimension of this product, right? So when they click on this button, they can see the height, width and the length of this product, and they can click on the button again to hide it. You can choose between matrix or standard system for the unit. I'm gonna keep it on. Next we have the background settings. By default is transparent, but if you want, you can change the background color to something else. I'm gonna keep it transparent for now. Next we have the QR code. So now when they browse this product directly from their mobile device, they're gonna be a view in AR button automatically. You don't have to do anything for that. However, when they are browsing it from a computer, for example, right, there is no way we can enable AR, but we can show them a QR code that will help them to scan it and put the furniture into a space using their mobile phone. So this is exactly what it does. So when you click on that, it shows a view in your space button on the top, and when the user clicks on that, this is how it should look like, and they can basically use this QR code to try it out in their space. Next we have the branding. In here you can hide or show the polymuse branding. This is a premium feature, so you have to have that subscription to hide the branding. Next we have the AR mode. There is two mode, either wall or floor at this moment. For furnitures is obviously going to be, you're gonna place this furniture on a floor, so it's gonna be floor, but for products like wall art or paintings, it should be wall. Finally we have the sharing settings. In here by default the visibility is public, so this is the link where anyone can go and visit and see your furniture. However, if you want to keep it private, you can do that as well, so you and your team can only access this embed. I'm gonna keep it public for now. Now we can save it. Awesome. Now let's go to this link. So this is how it looks like with our customization settings. We can click on the dimension and see this. Users can basically scan it. We can zoom in. That is also working, and we will have that logo on the right hand side. Let's try one more thing. Let's change the background to something like black and save the changes again. Reload this page. And now we can see we have a different background with the updated settings in this embed. Now this is just a start. We're going to add more customization options into this viewer. What are the customization that you are looking for? Let us know in the comment box, and I'll see you in the next time.